You are watching your favorite YouTube channel Primary K Pankh with Tarkeshwar Pandey. Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. I hope you all are happy, healthy, fit, and fine. In our today's video, we are going to know about profession or occupation name. So be ready and now know about 10 words related to professions or occupations. Number 1. Teacher. 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 Teacher means adhyapak or शिक्षक. Teacher means adhyapak or शिक्षक. Number 2. Farmer. 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 Farmer means kisan. Farmer means kisan. Number 3. Green. Greengrocer. Greengrocer means kunjra. Greengrocer means kunjra. Greengrocer means kunjra. Number 4. Shopkeeper. 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 Shopkeeper means dukandar. Shopkeeper means dukandar. Shopkeeper means dukandar. Number 5. Washerman. 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 Washerman means dhobi. Washerman means dhobi. Washerman means dhobi. Number 6. Goldsmith. 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 Goldsmith means sonar. Goldsmith means sonar. Goldsmith means sonar. Number 7. Brasier. Brazier. Brazier means tathera. Brazier means tathera. Brazier means tathera. Number 8. Postman. 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 Postman means dakia. Postman means dakia. Postman means dakia. Number 9. Doctor. Doctor. Doctor means doctor. Doctor means doctor. Doctor means doctor. Number 10. Tailor. Tailor. Tailor means darji. Tailor means darji. Tailor means darji. So we have known about 10 words related to profession or occupation. So dear students, revise these all 10 words and we will meet again in a new video with a new topic. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye.